Welcome back to the channel, my friends. You're gonna have to excuse my voice. I had to take some time off to recover from the deadly, unmentionable Chinese virus that tried to hack into my body and attack my central processing unit. And the only way I could fight something off like this was by drinking a whole bottle of Dayquil in 24 hours, which worked out into my favor because I couldn't taste or smell this, and this stuff is disgusting. But anyways, welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Secret Letters, and let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, vulnerabilities and bug bounty hunting. Which leads me into a vulnerability that has been making its way around this past week, and the weakness is an improper input, validation, and exposure of sensitive information to an unauthorized actor like me. Which leads us to a CVSS score of 9.9, which is critical. So what the heck am I talking about? Well, guys, let's get into it. Now, if you're like me, you probably never heard of Metabase or even care what it is, other than it's a data analytics platform. And to be honest, I first thought it was the name of the Facebook company. But anyways, your hacking brain starts to go off when you hear about a local file inclusion vulnerability in their system that is actively being found in private bounties and being awarded $4,000, which is ridiculous because it takes 5 seconds to find this vulnerability and exploit it. So how can you find it? Let's go over 3 basic ways. The first way is obviously a Shodan dork. So go out to Shodan and you can either search by it by setting the cookie, or you can search by it with the HTTP title. The second method is use Subfinder. Go out to your target, pipe the subdomain list from Subfinder over to HTTPX, then pipe that over to Nuclei for the CVE template 41277. And then finally, the third method is by using this one-liner that exploits the vulnerable path. So you grab your list of IP addresses or subdomains, pipe it over to HTTPX with the following redirect, which is the vulnerable path. And that's how you test for this local file inclusion vulnerability. So if you have your list of subdomains, you have your list of IP addresses, check to see what technology is running behind them. Keep track of that technology, follow its updates, follow its patches, and strike at the right time, guys, and get that bounty.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it! Yeah! Yeah!
Now, if you stuck around to the end of this video and you have not subscribed to the channel yet, you are missing out on some epic hacking content, guys. And I don't know what to say other than thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, catch me in the comment section, find me on Discord, grab some extra hacking content over on Patreon, and I'll see you guys out there on the hunt.